So I'm trying to get this as close to regulation size as possible. From the top it'll be 9-inch. And from the side it'll be obviously the center, which is 12-inch. The hole diameter is roughly, should be around 6 inches wide. Just gonna double check. 9 inch here. 9 inch here. I don't have a 6-inch hole saw, so we're gonna do this with a reciprocal saw or a jigsaw mat. And here's just a jelly container, which is 6 inches. I'm not sure where I'm at with the recording, but overall the hinge aligned very well. The edge off by a couple mil, but nothing low Sandy can't do. I went ahead and cut this piece, and it'll go inside so I can put some LED lighting and batteries up on top. Alright boys,
Okay.
so I have a 80 grit sandpaper. You can tell by the backing. This is 180 and these two are 100. Okay, we're going to start off with the 80 grit and sand all these dark spots, all these
Lumpy spots?
yeah, that I used to fix. So who want to start?
Me.
Go.
I'll do that with me on.
So we're gonna use Mod Podge as a glue and a finisher. But your brother's at tutor. However, it's ready to do second coat. You notice how I make it distressed?
Gosh, why do I use that?
Because we just use it. So I distress the poster a little bit, make it look like it's been used. And to hide this area right here because it's off center a tad, okay?
Yeah, that's very wet.
I know him.
It feels funny. It also feels
Okay, I'm
cool.
put a blob over here for you and a blob for me. Damn, this thing's thick.
I know.
That's for you.
Okay.
You do this part, I'll do this part. Alright boys, gonna wrap this up.
So today is the last day for doing this.
Yes sir.
I think somebody's. Is it just me?
It's from the varnish and the Mod Podge. Okay? So you know how mommy hate me wearing and doing everything in black? So this time I'm gonna change it up. I'm gonna do red. Okay, we're gonna glue this down. I'm gonna spread the glue.
How much glue is in there?
Not much.
I mean, we got backup glue.
We do. So I need one of you guys to spread it around as much as possible. Okay, you gonna do the spreading?
Yeah.
Okay.
What the? Uh-oh, spaghetti-o. Uh-oh.
Okay.
Serious.
So remember the battery, it's rechargeable.
Batteries.
So remember the positive goes in here.
The positive?
Mm-hmm. We'll wait until it's dry before we can connect. Actually, let's try it now.
Wait, you're gonna try?
Yes.
So
So positive go in the middle, right?
Yeah.
And then positive here. Oh, wait. Oh, okay.
Is the glue too hard right now?
Nobody.
I mean, glue
So
is
this will be our negative, right?
negative and positive?
Mm-hmm.
Positive.
The negatives are on the two sides. The positive is in the middle. Got it? Now, once we connect this positive, this negative to the negative, and the positive to the positive, turn it on.
Not working.
Right. Good, okay. Can I try to turn it on again? Did the wire get loose somewhere?
I think it's from there to.
There you go. So the positive, these two are also positive. I got it wrong. All of these are positive. So once you turn this on, this positive will transfer over here, and then we can turn on the lights. Got it?
Try to. Okay, it works. Wait, can
So
I
this
see?
act as a connector.
Wait, Daddy. Let me try something. Wait, Daddy.
So this on and off act as a positive transfer, okay?
Whoa.
You don't want to keep turning it on and off, okay? You want to burn the bulb. Got it?
Okay.
And then we'll put it in this circle in here later. All right, boys. So I added these two blocks to hold into the battery, to hold the battery, right?
That's smart.
Mm-hmm. And I don't know why I bought this, but we have it. I'm going to use it.
Is this more LED?
No, this is just to dampen the impact. Because this area is going to have a lot of impact. People are aiming at it and throwing the bean bags into this hole, right? So you get a lot of bouncing back and forth. I want to prevent that by adding these weather strip, I believe. Just to soften up the impact a little bit on the battery.
I know. If the battery got up and down to this wooden board, it will break, right?
No, we're going to cover it both ways.
Wait up. Can I feel this?
Yeah, it's super soft.
Oh yeah, that's soft. It's like.
I wish I slept on this.
I don't know what. It reminds me of Zodiac. I forgot how it feels or what type it is.
Maybe one day I could sleep on this.
No, I don't think so.
It'd feel cool. Though.
I'll be broke buying it. You know how many pieces you'll need just to make a bed out of it?
Yeah.
Okay. So
2,000 pieces.
we're gonna add some in here. Oh, I should just use that.
Can I cut it?
Yeah. I'll make a slit right here. There. Cut some more.
I didn't even cut it.
Cut like 4 more.
Okay.
Do you want this?
No,
So just go into.
Wait up.
just measure it up. Doesn't have So my original plan was to use the nail gun to secure the LED strip to the perimeter. However, my test piece, the nail gun was too powerful and just penetrate. So I'm gonna go the old-fashioned way and just hammering them in. Close-up shot. So for each of these staples, I try not to be too close to the copper right here. Likewise for all the other areas. One additional thing is that I use electrical tape and just tape up this end just to prevent any potential short circuits or any fire hazard potentials. go ahead and staple this down. And this will be it for the LED setup.